Hello, this is Mohsin Azam Khan, your CFA instructor. Today's video topic, sir, how much time shall I give into my preparation for CFA examinations? There is no clear-cut answer to that. If someone is telling you just give 3 months and you're following that, you're making a blunder. You might end up making a huge mistake and end up failing the CFA exam. Why is there no clear-cut answer to this? Because it highly depends on many factors. So I'll open all those factors. It depends on your academic background. It depends on your current circumstances. So let's make 3 types of personalities. One personality is, he is a fresh student studying his graduation and he is a full-time student. He has no job obligations. Now, if you are a full-time student, along giving the exam along with your graduation, obviously you have to maintain your GPA in the university as well. Then I personally feel you can give up to 6 months to study level 1. Level 2 also you can give 6 months, and level 3 also you can give 6 months. Obviously level 3 case, you would not be a graduate, you would be already graduated. Second personality, second case is, if you are a full-time student, like you have done your graduation as well, all you need to do is just to study CFA, nothing else to do, no job, nothing. If you are a full-time student, I feel 3 months is also enough. You can crack your level 1 in 3 months, level 2 also in 3 months, and level 3 also in 3 months. If you are a full-time student, even 2 months also is doable, because obviously you will be studying long hours every day. Third personality, you are a job going person and you have a very intensive job, like 9 to 6, something like that, every day. Saturday, Sunday may be off. Now for you, it is very difficult to take out time. Now in this personality also, some have family commitments and some do not have family commitments. Obviously if you're not having family commitments, so you can take out more time to study. In that case, I usually recommend 8 to 10 months, because obviously you have to take up your work as well, you have to study as well, then you have to revise the syllabus as well, because you have to make sure you retain all the stuff, you have to practice those questions as well. It will require time. Last personality, you are a job going person but lesser family commitments, so I prefer that you give 7 to 8 months. Why? Because you do not have that enough family commitments. You may end up taking a good leave from your organization in the end, so I feel 7 months will also be enough. At times you might be able to do it in 6 months as well. Lastly, instead of failing the CFA exam, take your time. That's what I advise my students. There are two ways. Either you give it in a hurry, fail the exam, and either you take your time, study well, practice well, and give your exam. And there's also one more category, that is, I've seen students who are studying up to 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years just to give an exam. You don't need to do that, because ultimately you will be studying in the end period only, that is 6 to 7 months. That is more than enough. Yes, for those undergraduate students who have started studying in their second year, yes, they can take a 1 year, because they have the earliest they can give the examination is in the 3rd year for level 1 and 4th year for level 2. So I hope this video may have helped you in planning when to give CFA examination. Thank you.